Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter
زاي.
Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter
زاي.
Some people say it as zine. So,
زاي.
or zine. It's the same. So don't be confused. You say it, just like the English, z, as in zero. As you can see, it looks similar to the
را.
but with a dot on top. Now try to write it with me. Notice how it can dips beneath the line. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with
زاي.
First, here's the Fathah. The pronunciation now will be
ز.
Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be Z. And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as
زو.
Listen again.
ز.
Z.
زو.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
زاي.
is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be
ز.
Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
زعيم.
Means leader.
ز. عي. ي. مي. زعيم.
Now let's join these letters together.
ز. عي. ي. مي. زعيم.
When
زاي.
is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be Z. Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
زينة.
Means decorations.
زي. زي. يي. ن. هي. زي. نه. زينة.
Now let's join these letters together.
زي. زي. يي. ن. هي. زي. نه. زينة.
When
زاي.
is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be
زو.
Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
زجاجة.
Means bottle.
زو. ج. 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 هي. زو. ج. ج.
زجاجة.
Now let's join these letters together.
زو. ج. ج ج هي زو ج ج
زجاجة.
Now let's look at the letter
زين
in all different possible positions. As you can see, the beginning form is the same as the isolated form, and the medial form is the same as the end form. Handwriting time. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
زمن
means time.
ز
ما
ني زمن.
Now let's join these letters together.
ز
ما
ني زمن.
And next.
زفير
Means exhalation.
ز في ي ري زفير.
Now let's join these letters together.
ز في في ي ري زفير.
And next.
زميل
Means colleague.
ز م ي ل زميل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ز م ي ل زميل.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like
حزب
means party, a group of people of the same beliefs, ideas and attitudes.
ح ز ب حزب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح ز ب حزب.
And next.
جزر
Means carrots.
ج ز ر جزر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ج ز ر جزر.
And next.
حزن.
Means sorrow or sadness.
ح زي ني
حزن.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح زي ني
حزن.
And next.
زنزانة.
Means dungeon or prison cell.
زي ني ز ن هي
زنزانة.
Now let's join these letters together.
زي زن ني ز ن هي
زنزانة.
When those exception letters come before the letter
زاي,
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. When
زاي,
is in the middle of a word, the isolated form is used. It is free to the right, since the letter before it refuses to connect. And it is free to the left, since it refuses to connect with the letter after. For example,
وزن,
means weight.
و زي ني وزن.
Now let's join these letters together.
و زي ني وزن.
And next.
رزق,
Means livelihood or sustenance.
ر زي قي رزق.
Now let's join these letters together.
ر زي قي رزق.
Here is how to write the end form. Like.
عجز.
Means deficit or disability.
ع ج زي
عجز.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع ج زي
عجز.
And next.
حجز.
Means reservation.
ح ج زي
حجز.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح ج زي
حجز.
And next.
عزيز,
Means darling or dear.
ع زي ي زي عزيز.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع زي ي زي عزيز.
When those exception letters come before the letter
زاي,
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. It is free to the right, since the letter before it refuses to connect. And it is free to the left, since there is no letter after. For example,
غاز
means gas.
غ غ زي
غاز.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ غ زي
غاز.
And next,
فوز
means winning.
ف و زي فوز.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف فو و زي فو زي فوز.
And next,
هزاز
means vibrator or rocking.
ه ز ز زي هزاز.
Now let's join these letters together.
ه ز ز زي هزاز.
And next,
ابتزاز
means blackmail or extortion.
I بي تي ز ز زي ابتزاز.
Now let's join these letters together.
I إب بي تي ز ز زي ابتزاز.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.